Hello friends, standard 8. Now we are doing exercise 1.2 question number 5. Right? To question number 5 for first and second we have done in last video. Okay. Now in this video we are doing question number 5 number 3. Right? Find five rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. What we will take at first? What we will do at first? We will take LCM of 4 and 2. Right? LCM of 4 and 2 is what? 4 and 2, 2 to the 4, 2 1 जा and 2 1 जा 2 1 जा. Right? So LCM is equal to 4. LCM is equal to 4. So in both denominators we should have 4. So first one is 1 by 4. Right? So we don't have to touch it. Then 1 by 2. We will multiply it by 2 to make the denominator 4. So 2 by 4. So between 1 by 4 and 2 by 4, we want 5 rational numbers. Okay. Suppose you multiply both the numbers by 6. 1 by 4 into 6 that is equal to 6 by 24, and 2 by 4 into 6 2 by 4 into 6 that is equal to 12 by 24. So between 6 and 12 we have 5 rational numbers. So we can write here, therefore required 5 rational numbers are so after 6 what will come? 7. So 7 by 24, 8 by 24, then 9 by 24, 10 by 24, then 11 by 24, 11 by 24. Right? So how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We want how many? 5 numbers. Between 6 by 24 and 12 by 24, we got 7 by 24, 8 by 24, 9 by 24, 10 by 24 and 11 by 24. What we have done? First we have taken LCM of 4 and 2. Right? So LCM of 4 and 2 we got what? 4. Right? Here 2 to the and 2 1 then again 2 1 and 1 same. So the 1 by 4 in denominator there is 4, so we don't have to touch it. Then here 1 by 2 we want to put in the denominator 4, so we multiply denominator by 2, so numerator also by 2. So 1 to the 2 upon 2 to the 4. So 1 by 4 into 6 into 6. Why? Because 1 by 4, between 1 by 4 and 2 by 4 we don't have 5 rational numbers. So we have multiplied both by 6. So 6 by 24, then again 2 into 6, 4 into 6, so 12 by 24. Between 6 by 24 and 12 by 24 we have 5 rational numbers. Then write 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. Right? So we can write minus 1 and half. Right? Then minus 1. Then minus half. Minus 1 and half. Then minus 1. Then minus half. Then 0, then half. Right? How many are there? 5 are there. Right? Then find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. So again we will take LCM. Taking LCM of 5 and 4. 5 and 4 are 2 prime numbers, so their LCM will be what? 20. LCM is equal to 20 because they are co-prime numbers. Okay, there is no common factor of 5 and 4, so they are co-prime, so we don't have to do like this method. Okay, directly we can write 5 to the 20, so LCM is 20. So 3 by 5 that is equal to 3 by 5 upon 5 4 again by 4, 12 by 20. Then 3 by 4 that is equal to 3 by 4 into 5 5. So 15 upon 20. Now between 12 and 15 we don't have 10 decimal numbers. So we will multiply both by 10. Or if we multiply by 5, 12 by 20 into 5 into 5. So 60 by 100. Right? Then if you multiply 15 by 5 into 20 into 5. So 75 by 100. So between 60 and 75 we have 10 decimal numbers. Right? So you can write required 10 decimal numbers are after 60 what will come? Up to 60 to 74 we can write, right? But only 2 we will write, only 10 we will write. Okay. So any 10 we can write. 61 by 100, 62 by 100, then 63 by 100, then 64 by 100, then 65 by 100, then 66 by 100, then 67 by 100, then 68 by 100, then 69 by 100. Right? And after that I can write 74 by 100. 74 by 100. Right? Not necessarily I write 70 by 100. Right? 70 by 100. So 74 by 100 we लिख सकते हैं. Right? Any 10 we can write. Okay, I am explaining this again. Find 5 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So what we have done? Their denominators are different, so we have taken LCM of 4 and 2. Right? So 2 to 4, 2 1 2. Again 2 1 and 1 as it is. Right? So 2 to 4 is LCM. Now 1 by 4. In denominator there is 4, so we don't have to do anything to it. Then 1 by 2, we have to bring 4 in the denominator. So we will multiply it by 2. So 2 to 4, here also 2. 1 to 2 by 4. Between 1 by 4, 2 by 4, there are no any 5 rational numbers. Okay, so we are multiplying both by 6. Why we have taken 6? Because here is 5. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, so 1 6 and 4 6. So 6 by 24. Then 2 by 4. So 2 6 and 4 6. So 12 by 24. Okay, so between 6 by 24, 12 by 24, we will have 5 rational numbers. So required 5 rational numbers are 7 by 24, 8 by 24, 9 by 24, 10 by 24 and 11 by 24. This is not 12, it is 24. Okay, here it is 24. Okay, make correction. Then write 5 rational numbers greater than -2. बराबर इंसान सही गलती होती है. Maybe इंसान right, it may be possible that I can mistake. तो इंसान की गलती होती है और मिल जाती है कि भाई ये यहाँ पर गलती है. Right? So write 5 rational numbers greater than -2. तो -1 and half, -1, -half, 0 and 1 by 2. All these are greater than -2. Find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. So LCM of 5 and 4 is 5 4 are 20. Both are co-prime numbers, right? There is no common factor of 5 and 4, so we can directly multiply for LCM. Now, so we have to bring in denominator 20. So to make 5 20, we will multiply it by 4, right? Instead of 5, we will want 20. So 5 4 are 3 4 are, so 12 by 20. Then 3 by 4. So 4 5 are 20. So we will multiply numerator also by 5. So 3 5 are 15. 15 by 20. So between 12 and 15 we don't have 10 rational numbers. We don't have 10 rational numbers. Okay. So we are multiplying both by 5 in numerator and denominator. So 12 5 are and 25 are, 15 5 are and 25 are, 12 5 is numbers are 61 by 100, 62 by 100, 63 by 100, 64 by 100, 65 by 100, 66 by 100, 67 by 100, 68 by 100, 69 by 100, and 74 by 100. Right? We can write 70 by 100 instead of 69. We can write 72 by 100, 71 by 100 also we can write. Okay. We can remove any one or two from this, and 71, 72, 73 we can write. Right? Three numbers we can remove. And so we have to write any 10. Right? We have written 61 to 69, and then one number 74 we have written. So 10 we have written. Okay, after this we will write the main points of this chapter, and then we will start new chapter. Okay, this chapter will be over now, and we will write its main point to remember. Okay, which is written in your textbook. That also we will write in our notebook. Okay, in notebook also we will write. Okay, you write down this one. Okay friends, now main points of the chapter we are discussing. What we have learned in this chapter. Rational numbers are closed under the operations addition, subtraction and multiplication. Right? We have put together कि rational number दो rational number ऐड करेंगे तो rational number आएगा, दो rational number subtract करेंगे तो rational number आएगा, and if we multiply two rational number we will get rational number. So we can say rational numbers are closed under operations addition, subtraction and multiplication. They are not okay. The operations additions and multiplication are, and here we have written what they are closed under addition, subtraction and multiplication. They are not closed for what? Division. Right? If we divide two rational number, we can get the rational number, but it is not necessary because by zero division is not possible. Right? We can't divide 0 by any number. So, in division, we have written addition, subtraction, multiplication, but we have not written division. The operations addition and multiplication are commutative. Right? A plus B is equal to B plus A. Right? In any order, we can add two rational numbers, and multiplication also we can get 2 into 3, that is equal to 3 into 2. In any order, we can multiply two rational numbers, right? So they are rational numbers are commutative under multiplication and addition. Commutative for rational numbers and associative for rational numbers, right? So addition means and associative means a plus b plus c, that is equal to a plus b and plus c, right? And for multiplication, what? A cross b cross c, that is equal to a cross in bracket b cross c, right? That is called associative property. And in commutative, what? A plus b is equal to what? B plus a cross b is equal to b cross a, that is called commutative, and that is called associative. Okay, the rational number 0 is the additive identity for rational numbers. What is meaning of additive identity? 0 is called additive identity because we can add 0 to any number in any order. If we do 2 plus 0 or 0 plus 2, answer will be 2. So no effect on 2 of 0. So 0 is called additive identity. क्योंकि 0 की कोई असर होती नहीं है एडिशन या सब्ट्रैक्शन में. The rational number 1 is the multiplicative identity for rational numbers. If you multiply any rational number by 1, okay, answer will be the other number, right? So 1 is called multiplicative identity. The additive inverse of the rational number a by b is minus a by b and vice versa, right? Additive inverse means only to other side. So additive inverse of a by b is minus a by b, and minus a by b additive inverse is a by b, right? Vice versa means इसका उल्टा. The reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of the rational number a by b is c by d. If a by b cross c by d is equal to 1. So what is meaning of reciprocal or multiplicative inverse? If we multiply two any numbers and we get answer 1, then that two numbers are called multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. multiplication of two number is 1, then those two numbers are called multiplicative inverse of each other, or we can call what reciprocal of each other. Then distributivity of rational numbers for all rational numbers a, b and c. A into b plus c, that is equal to ab plus ac, and a into b minus c, that is equal to ab minus ac, right? So this all we have done in the chapter. So last 2 points are left, that we will write down. Okay, understand all of you? बराबर समझ में आ गया? ये सब पढ़ चुके हो. All this we have learned in the chapter. Now 2 points 8 and 9 we will write, then the chapter will be over. Okay, write down. Okay friends, now points number 8 and 9, rational numbers can be represented on the number line पर हम rational numbers बता सकते हैं, right? Between any two given rational numbers there are countless rational numbers, right? The idea of mean help us to find rational numbers between two rational numbers. मतलब mean वाला idea से भी हम rational numbers कोई भी दो नंबर के बीच में find कर सकते हैं, right? Suppose we want to find rational numbers between 2 and 3, right? So by idea of mean, how can we find? So 2 plus 3 by 2, right? These are two numbers, so we will divide it by 2, so 5 by 2, right? So one number is 5 by 2 between these two, right? Between these two also we can find other numbers. Suppose 5 by 2 plus 3 upon 2, right? So 5 plus 3 plus 6 by 2 plus 4, so 11 by 4. So between these two, 11 by 4, right? Between these two also we can find also. So 2 plus 5 by 2 upon 2, 2 to the 4, so 4 plus 5 and 2 to the 4, so 9 by 4 we can write, right? So between these two, 9 by 4 is there. Now between these two also we can find all rational number, so we can write 5 by 2 plus 11 by 4, 5 by 2 plus 11 by 4 upon 2. Now LCM of 2 and 4 is what? 4. So 5 by 2 into 2 into 2 plus 11 by 4 upon 2. Right? So 5 to 10, 10 plus 11 by 4 to the 8. So 21 by 8. Right? 5 by 2 and 11 by 4. Here will be 21 by 8. 21 by 8. Right? Now between these two also we can also find numbers. So 9 by 4 plus 5 by 2 by 2. LCM of 4 into this 4. So we will multiply this by 2. So 9 by 4 plus 5 by 2 into 2 by 2. In exercises we have not done by this method, right? But by this method also we can find rational numbers. Okay. So 9 by 4, 10 by 4 by 2. Now 9 plus 10 is what? 19 by 8. So 19 by 8 will come here between these two. 19 by 8. Okay. Now between these two also we can find rational numbers, right? So 2 and 9 by 4. 2 plus 9 by 4 upon 2. So 2 4 is 8. 8 plus 9 by 8. So that is equal to 17 by 8. Right? So it will come here 17 by 8. 17 by 8. So we have found 2, then 17 by 8, then 9 by 4, then 19 by 8, then 5 by 2, then 21 by 8, then 11 by 4, and 3. Okay, so how many numbers we have found? 1 2 number we have found between 2 and 3 by method of mean, right? Mean की method से हमने कितने numbers find किए? 6 numbers we have found. So this method is also valid. Instead of multiplication we can do also this one. Okay, in exercises we have done multiply and then we have found between numbers, right? इसमें जो नंबर आएंगे वो मल्टीप्लिकेशन से फाइंड किए, तो ऐसे भी हम फाइंड कर सकते हैं. Okay, you write down this method. Okay, this is roughly I have shown. Okay, you write down this, and this is 17 by we have written which we have found here 17 by. Okay, and our method is started from here 2 plus 3 by 2, 2 plus 3 by 2, and that is equal to 5 by 2 that I have written here. Okay, whichever middle number we have found, between number we have found, that I have written in that way, right? इस जो दोनों नंबर के बीच में हमने नंबर फाइंड किया है तो वो दोनों के बीच में मैंने नंबर यहाँ पर लिखा है. जैसे 2 plus 9 by 4 का किया है तो यहाँ पर लिखा है, 9 by 4 और 5 by 2 के बीच में किया है तो वो यहाँ पर लिखा है, राइट? 5 by 2 और 11 by 4 का जो बीच वाला नंबर फाइंड किया है वो यहाँ लिखा है. ओके, और 11 by 4 और 3 का फाइंड नहीं किया. ओके, वी कैन आल्सो फाइंड दैट. Okay, so like this way we can also find. This is called mean method, right? Okay, write down this one. And after this we will start next chapter. I think chapter 2 we will start. Okay, write down.